Stop letting your landing pages be a black box. Let's unlock their secrets and turn them into conversion machines with a powerful Ga4 landing page report in Looker Studio. First things first, head over to Looker Studio and click on that big, inviting Create button, then select Report to kickstart our landing page dashboard. Now, we need to connect our Google Analytics for data. Click on Google Analytics and choose the Ga4 account and property that contains the data for your website. Let's give our report a descriptive title. Simply click on Untitled Report at the top and rename it to something like Landing Page Report, so it's easy to find later. It's time to build our table. Click on Add a Chart, and from the drop-down menu, select Table. Position it on your canvas. In the Table's Properties panel, under Dimension, add Page Path and Screen Class. This will show us each landing page URL. Next, under Metrics, let's add the key performance indicators you want to track at sessions, bounce rate, conversion rate. You can find this by searching session conversion rate and engagement rate. And there you have it. Your report will now populate with data, showing you how each landing page is performing. You can now see which pages are driving the most traffic, which have the highest bounce rates, and which are converting the best. Refine your report further by adding filters. For example, you can filter by campaign or traffic source to see which channels are driving the best performing landing pages. Use this data to optimize your landing pages, run A/B tests, and watch your conversions soar.